Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. So today our group one will discuss about the Google, since that is the main title for our discussion. So I'll pass to the Farah to start the discussion.
Okay. Firstly, for the mission and core value is for the mission is to organize the world information and make it universally accessible and useful. Next, for the motto, which is don't be evil, means focus on strong ethics and distinct workplace culture.
Next is fundamental business model. They are 97% revenue from online advertising. The core model was to provide free and high quality search services to users, thereby attracting massive traffic and then selling targeted advertising space to business, which is to connecting user intent with advertiser offers.
Very interesting in giving the idea and opinion. That form of opinion, in my own opinion, okay, Google do have a core advertising product, which is the AdWords and AdSense. For the core advertising product, okay, AdWords provide text-based search advertisement. These are sold through an auction model based on relevant keywords using a pay-per-click structure, which is, if you guys knowing that Google having an ad, doesn't matter that ads inside the website or the apps, it will be direct to website. Okay, other than that is AdSense. This product allows third-party website to display targeted Google ads. Crucially, we share the advertising revenue with the publisher, creating a powerful incentive for web partner. So, what do you guys think? Get the information?
Yeah, from my opinion is for the product growth strategy, create great products and to generate new ad opportunities. That means expand the ecosystem like desktop, mobile, web, or etc. with free tools such as Google Maps, YouTube, Docs, and Document, which is in turn create new inventory for target advertising critical for work.
I agree with you. Next is strategic bets, which is mobile Android and cloud computing. As for mobile Android, Google launched a free and open source OS to compete directly with Apple's iPhone, anticipating that whoever on the mobile platform will dominate future mobile advertising. As for cloud computing, Google pushing users away from Microsoft installed software toward web-based application.
Very interesting. I would like to add some information regarding the Google. So basically, Google have a marketing innovation that provided by Google itself. Since Google having a biggest advantage in market asset management, Google leverage free tool, which is Google Analytics, to offer advertiser real main time data. This capability allows them to constantly monitor and optimize their budget and campaign. In essence, this makes marketing dynamic and responsive, moving away from the old to static campaign model. So I will shift into the marketing information part. So,
Okay. Thank you for the explanation. So now is my part. Our part, I will discuss about the first change in Google's marketing strategy. As we know, Google now uses AI to run most of its ads. So their main system is called a Performance Max, which is PMax. So with PMax, businesses only need to give Google their goals and some image or videos or maybe text, and then Google AI chooses the best place to show the ads on search, YouTube, Gmail, display, or more. For example, when we open YouTube, sometimes the ads will pop up in the YouTube, right? So
Yes.
that's Google work. And then the purpose is simple. AI helps get better result with the less manual work. And Google also created AI overviews where the search engine gives AI generated answer. And Google now places ads inside these AI answers, so ads are still visible to users. So that's about my part. How about yours?
Thank you for the interesting sharing. So, I will explain about AI overviews. That is SGE, Search Generative Experience. So, AI overview is basically a new features in Google search where Google use AI to generate a quick and clear summary or answer at the top of the search result. So instead of just giving you links, it give you a short and easy to understand explanation first. So Google is now including ads, as we know, directly inside these AI overviews. This means that even though the search results are changing and becoming more AI generated, ads will still appear in relevant place. The goal is to make sure advertisements remain useful and visible to user, even in this new AI focused search experience. So in simple words, Google use AI to give you faster answer, and at the same time they place ads inside this AI generated section so businesses can still reach people effectively. So I pass to the next.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. Okay, so now is the second change in Google. Now Google is removing third-party cookies, which is they use to track people on other websites. Because of this, companies must use the first-party data, which means data they collect from their own customers, like email or maybe purchase history. This data can be uploaded to Google Ads through customer match to help make ads more accurate. Google also created something called Privacy Sandbox, which helps advertisers show relevant ads while still protecting user privacy. So next, I will pass to Shige.
Yes, that's true, Aifa, and this means data reliance is more important now. Advertisers need to use customer match to upload their own customer data into Google Ads. For example, customers' email, phone numbers, or loyalty program members. Google then matches this data securely so marketers can reach the right audience even when third-party cookies disappear. This keeps ads personalized but still safe and privacy friendly, which is very important in a VUCA world where rules, technology, and users' behavior change very quickly. Google also encourages marketers to build long-term relationship with their customers. The stronger the first-party data, the more stable and effective their marketing will be, even when the digital environment becomes more volatile or uncertain. So for the visual, video, and creative dominance, I will pass to Zuhada.
Okay. For the third one is visual, video, and creator dominance. So Google is now focusing a lot on visual content, especially vertical video like the one we saw on TikTok and YouTube Short. These short vertical video are becoming very popular, so Google is optimizing ads to fit this format better. Google also make it easy for brands to work with YouTube creator through something called partnership ads. This helps brand and creator collaborate more smoothly and reach more audience with audience content. So, in summary, Google is focusing on vertical video, improving ads for this format, and helping brands work together with YouTube creators more easily. How about you? Yes.
For me, Google also supports brand creator collaboration. They are adding new tools so brands can work with YouTube creators more easily and more transparently. For example, partnership ads let a brand take a creator's video and turn it into an official ad while still keeping the creator's authentic voice and storytelling style. This works well because viewers trust the creators more than traditional ads. In a VUCA world, where attention spans are short and trends change fast, creators help brands stay relevant and connect with audience in a more human, natural way. Google's goal is to make this collaboration smoother, measurable, and more scalable across the entire YouTube ecosystem. So, I will pass the talk to Aifa.
Okay, thank you for the interesting sharing. So now I will explain the last or the fourth change in Google. So as we know, Google is connecting all its tools together into one big system. This includes Google Ads, Google Analytics, YouTube, and also the Google Clouds. Because everything is connected, businesses can now see the full customer journey from the first ads click until the final purchasing. So this helps companies understand what works and make better marketing decision. And as a conclusion, Google marketing strategy is shifting towards a more automated, AI driven, and also the privacy focused approach. So that's all from our part. Next, I will pass to another.
Very interesting overview from all of you. However, Google may face some key challenge. For the first, which is the major one, is a geopolitical and regulatory issue. The ongoing friction with the Chinese government over censorship is unfortunately led to withdrawal of our search service, which is Google, from mainland China. The second one is related to market share. Since Google having the biggest market share in the market, where the Google are globally dominant, they are constantly facing competition in the US market, which is for his rival is Yahoo and Bing. So, what do you guys think about it?
For me, the key challenge is very related with our discussion. However, I will provide you with the case outcome, which is long-term outcome. For the first one is Google is still one of the strongest tech companies in the world. Their revenue today is way higher than in 2014, even though they now face to her competition from AI companies like Microsoft and OpenAI. And second one is Google also continues to earn most of its money from advertising. They successfully link ads into products like YouTube, Maps, and Android. Besides that, Google Cloud has grown into a major business that helps them diversify. What do you think?
In my opinion, Android is one of Google's biggest success. It is still the most popular mobile operating system in the world. This helped Google stay dominant in mobile advertising and data collection. But the large influence also bring problems, which is Google face many legal issues, especially antitrust lawsuit in the US and fines in Europe. The company also removed its old motto. Don't be evil, from its code of conduct. This shows a shift from idealistic value to a more practical corporate approach. So to conclude this, Google became successful because it gave user free services and made money through target advertising. So today, Google challenge is to stay strong in advertising while dealing with privacy concerns and the rise of AI.
Their current strategy focus on AI-driven automation like PMX and using first-party data to stay important between users and businesses. That's all for this part. Thank you.
So I guess this is the end of our discussion, and very, 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 very thank you to all of you for having the meeting here. So we're gonna end our discussion with doa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal as'in dan insana lafi khus. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Wa tawassaw bil haqqi wa tawassaw bis sabr. I really appreciate towards you guys, which is for having discussion with all of us. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a wrap.